So these are all our eggplants that we've harvested in the week's time maybe. And they're not too big, so I'll use all of them to make the bharta. I've applied some oil to all the eggplants and I'll rub them with oil. Put it on the flame after we covered it with oil. Now we'll let it roast from all the sides nicely till they go soft. These are charred from all the sides, and once they are, so we just pick these up, we check if they're nicely charred and soft. If they're not soft, we keep them for some more time and we move them around. But once they're done, we just leave them in here and we cover it. So all the smokiness, all the flavor goes in, and little bit what is uncooked will also get cooked in the remaining heat. So here we have one small onion fine chop and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic fine chop. More garlic, less onion. I will also need one spicy variety of green chili. We will take it from the terrace. This is the size of tomato. We are going to fine chop that because it's not too much. And here we have some spring onion. We're going to use the green and the onions both. The skins are nicely removed now by Arabic. And then you may wonder if whether we know these have got worms or not. They don't actually, because we've harvested them, and while harvesting I've checked, so they don't. But even now when we are going to chop them fine as in not very fine, little roughly chopped, we will see if it is spoiled or something. So yeah, see, chop and check, chop and check, okay, and roughly chop, so not very fine. So this is how we are going to chop it. So ingredients here are, we've taken oil, 1 spoon, then we've taken jeera, hing, turmeric, dhania powder, jeera powder, that is coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, salt. And here in these ingredients I showed you this, we've taken a small habanero chili. You can take any chili, we want the spicy kick to it, so we've taken this. I think it's from the garden only. Tomato, onion I showed you, lots of garlic I showed you, and these are spring onions with the onions and the greens. And this is our bharta, as an eggplant. So now let's begin. Let the oil heat up and then we'll start. We also need coriander leaves. Okay. So when the oil was hot, I added the cumin seeds, I added hing and turmeric, and I added the garlic. Now let it fry for some time till the garlic goes a little soft. Okay. And then we will add the chili and then we will add the onion. So now the garlic looks a little soft. I'll add the chili. I've added the habanero chili because like I said, I want it spicy. Now you add your onion so that the garlic doesn't burn and turn bitter. Just give it a nice mix. Now we are adding the bharta inside and give it a mix. Mix it nicely. Then we'll add the red chili powder and cumin coriander powder. So now in this we've added red chili powder, say half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt, and now we mix it up nicely after we add the tomato also into this. Give it a nice mix. Very little namesake actually of garam masala. Mix it up well. So now we switch off the gas and we add a green onion and the white onion, the tops, and coriander leaf. And that's it, it's done. Now we will just cover it and keep it. We will just cover it and let it rest. So this is our Bengan ka bharta or Ringanu Oru farm to table recipe. Hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching Ru's Kitchen and Garden. Bye.